Hi, I'm Leslie Logan. Let's talk about Around the World, a part of your short box series here on your ladder barrel.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So, Around the World is after Twist and Reach, and you don't have to learn it right away. In fact, really nail your Twist and Reach before you add in Around the World. But once you've figured out the flat back really well, and you figured out your Twist and Reach, putting the two together is a really nice way to explore your practice and explore how far you can go. And it's great to learn it here before you learn on the reformer because you can reach into your legs more, or on the reformer it can get kind of hard, right? So you want your feet they should already be set up because you'll come into this from your Twist and Reach. So if you are using the onlinepilatesclasses.com barrels flashcard deck, you'll see how these things line up and set each other up. And typically you're just already set up, which is really great. If you don't have our deck yet, get it. Get it and all other decks. They're really fun to explore and put your session together and nerd out about your practice, right? So your feet should always set up parallel, hip distance apart on the second from the top, and you're pushing into it. Your arms are up to the sky in your peripheral vision, and you typically would do a twist and a reach and a twist and a reach, and then you twist, go to where you went for your flat back, twist, and come up, unwind. You reverse direction, open, twist, and come up. What you don't want is that arm to do the twisting. So you got to make sure that even though I'm turning to my left, my right armpit is back. Both things open, then my left side, and I come up, and then I twist to the right, and then I open up for my center, and I turn with my waist to get me over there. So Around the World is really awesome. It's like a reverse corkscrew. Really challenges the waist. And if you're short on time, it can take over from doing like some side sit-ups because you're still getting those obliques hit. So explore it, see how far you can work from your waist versus your arms, and let me know how it feels in the comments below. If you want to work out with me on the ladder barrel, we do have a ladder barrel workout on onlinepilatesclasses.com where we do life better.